Tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai, hoki mai ki TŌKU reo. Ko rai mona taku ingoa.
Kia ora and welcome to TŌKU Reo. Ko raukura hau. Today's episode gives you the opportunity to hear te reo being spoken fluently by native speakers.
That's right, koutou mā. And if you were watching yesterday, you'll know the material we'll be covering. How to find out about someone's whānau.
Ai rā, and you'll also get to have another look at yesterday's kupu hau. And we've even come up with a new batch of exercises to have a go at.
That's right, because we want you to be fluent in te reo and have fun in the process. So now that we've covered the important stuff, let's get into some work. Grammar. Who's your nana? Or hey, what's your sister's name? These are examples of some important questions we learned yesterday. Let's refresh your memory. Hopefully these do look familiar. We haven't quite learned all of the kinship terms yet, so just concentrate on these ones for now. Take a look. Ko wai tō māma. Who is your mother? Ko wai tō kuia. Who is your grandmother? Ko wai tō tuakana. Who is your older brother? Ko wai tō taina. Who is your younger sister? Ko wai tō kuraua. Who is your grandfather? Now, how do we answer this question? Do you remember this? Ko wai tō ingoa. Ko rai mona taku ingoa. Notice in this example, the name of the person replaces wai, because this is the question word. And the tō, your, is changed to taku, meaning my. Same deal with this week's grammar point. Check this out. Ko wai tō māma. Who is your mother? Ko hene taku māma. Hene is my mother. Ko wai tō kuia. Who is your grandmother? Ko hariata taku kuia. Hariata is my grandmother. Ko wai tō tuakana. Who is your older brother? Ko hoani taku tuakana. Hoani is my older brother. Ko wai tō taina. Who is your younger sister? Ko pania taku taina. Pania is my younger sister. Ko wai tō koroua. Who is your grandfather? Ko arapeta taku koroua. Arapeta is my grandfather. Okay, let's see some of these examples put into action. And watch this and listen out for the familiar terms.
Kia ora.
I hope you've got room for pudding. Yum.
Right, yum.
So, Raimona, you were saying you were part Ngāti Whakaue?
Yeah, on my nan's side.
Oh, koe tō kuia?
Ko hariata. She's my nan on my dad's side.
Hey Mahina, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I've got one older sister.
Oh, true. Ko wai tō tuakana?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Hey, Raimona, you said your nan's name was Hariata, eh?
Ai, ko hariata taku kuia. She's living with my sister now.
Choice. Yeah, Mahina, you didn't even tell us. Ko ai tō tuakana?
Ko hera taku tuakana. She's over in Oz now.
True. Everyone's moving over there now, eh?
Yeah. My older sister's over there too.
Ko ai tō tuakana?
Ko makarita taku tuakana.
E rai, kai te pēhea tō tuakana?
Kei te pai e hoa. He was gonna come to dinner, but he must have got caught up.
Ko ai tō tuakana e hoa?
Oh, ko tipene taku tuakana.
That wasn't so bad, eh, whānau? And I bet you could even understand a lot of it too. All right, now we're going to get straight into our segment that lets you listen in on a conversation between some native speakers. Yep, all in te reo. Think you can do that? Of course you can, man. Here it is.
Nā e nei kōrero e pāna ki te pātai atu ki te tahi anō. Tēnā pēr mōhio na tāu e ki te tangata nei ko waito tūpu, ko waito karaua. Engari, ke mōhio no te a koe ki te tangata rei muatu i te pātai tanga o nei pātai
Kia ora, kōrero.
Ko waito māma, ko waito pāpā, ko waito tuakana. Te mea rekau te tangata e tino mōhio na ki te kahange wana kōrero ki te hakautu mai wena kōrero.
We'll play that again, but this time around, the screen will flash when one of our sentences to find out about someone's whānau is used. Compare and see how many you actually picked out.
Nā e nei kōrero e pāna ki te pātai atu ki te tahi anō. Tēnā pēr mōhio na tāu e ki te tangata nei ko waito tūpu, ko waito karaua. Engari, ke mōhio no te a koe ki te tangata rei muatu i te pātai tanga o nei pātai
Kia ora, kōrero.
Ko waito māma, ko waito pāpā, ko waito tuakana. Te mea rekau te tangata e tino mōhio na ki te kahange wana kōrero ki te hakautu mai wena kōrero.
Kia ora rā e kui, e koroma. I think it's awesome that we actually get to hear a conversation in Te Reo. Just so we can accustom our ears to hearing and listening to Te Reo Māori by native speakers in everyday situations. Ka pai whānau. Kura will be here after the break with a recap on yesterday's 10 kupu, but first, our dialect for the week.
There are many sentences in Ngāti Pro like that where they cut it short. The difference between kei te aha koe, which Ngāti Pro uses, and other people say kei te pēhea koe, is this, that the thinking behind that is there is an inference that you only need to say this much and the rest is understood. But secondly, Ngāti Pro are a people that cut to the chase. If you are saying something and others can grasp the meaning, you try and brief it to keep the attention of the listeners. And people get easily bored if you're going to say the same old taupara over again, or the same old speech, and they know where you're going to go to, and so forth. People like to be kept fresh and on a journey of surprise, I guess.
Katipu, kaora, hei! Katipu, kaora, hei!
To reinforce what you're learning on TŌKU REO at home, visit our website at www.tokureo.maori.nz. On the homepage, you'll find a link to episodes. Find the episode you'd like to swat up on and click it. Here you'll find a summary of what's in that episode, as well as a list of interactive exercises down the right-hand side. Here's an example. Back at the homepage, you'll also find links to the other Te Whānau resources, more exercises, a forum for TŌKU REO viewers, and a free online Māori dictionary. Have fun, kia ū!
Katipu, kaora, hei!
Nau mai hoki mai ki tōku reo. Hope you've been practicing your kupu hau at home e huama, because today we're going to recap the words that were covered yesterday. And your job is to try and remember what the translations are before I actually give them. So just like always, you'll get to hear how the word is pronounced first, then you'll see it in its written form. Here we go then. Hope you're ready. Whanaunga, a relative. Whanaunga. Iwi, tribe. Iwi. Hapu, subtribe. Hapu. Tuakana, older brother of a male or older sister of a female. Tuakana. Teina, younger brother of a male or younger sister of a female.
Whangarei. Kiri roa. Hamilton. Kiri roa. Tāmaki makaurau. Auckland. Tāmaki makaurau. Te whanganui ātara. Wellington, te whanganui ātara. Taumarunui.
The last 5 words were Māori place names that don't have English translations. So the main thing we want to concentrate on with the place names is the correct pronunciation. Now whānau will go over the same kupu, but this time you'll get to see some images relating to those kupu. And I want you to try and guess the word before I say it.
Whanaunga, a relative. Whanaunga. Iwi, tribe. Iwi. Hapu, sub-tribe. Hapu. Tuakana, older brother of a male, or older sister of a female. Tuakana. Taina, younger brother of a male or younger sister of a female. Taina. Whangarei. Kirikiri roa. Hamilton. Kirikiri roa. Tāmaki Makaurau. Auckland. Tāmaki Makaurau. Te whanganui ātara. Wellington. Te whanganui ātara. Taumarunui.
Hatipu, kaora, hei!
Choice 1 e Huama, it's that time again. Time to listen to a fluent conversation in te reo Māori using these words. Don't forget, if you're watching with someone at home, make it a challenge and see who can pick out the most words.
Whenua i roto aku mahi e taia tōna ki ngā pito katoa o te motu. Hei tauira, tahi o aku haerenga, ka weha atu konei tāmaki makaurau nei, ka haere mā kirikiri roa. Tai no ki te whanganui ātara, haere atu konei te mane, no te wena teira no, tai no ka tai ki te whanganui ātara i te hoke ngāke, ka hoke ake mā taumaru nui he tolotoro inga whanaunga i reira, tai no ki whangarei, nā tai rau atu ki whangarei, tai no ka tutu ki te kaupama. I rote e rā haerenga, e tahi tai ma ka mauri hoke hau aku tamura ki taku taha, e hakaku haere i a rātu, ki ngā kōrero e pāna ki tēnā rohe, mea nui hoki te rā kia hau mō te mōhio ranga o aku tamura ki tō rātu taha Māori. Haka mālama haere kia rātu, ko ai mai nei whanaunga, te iwi o konei, te hapu o konei, ko wai te tuakana, ko wai te teina, e rātu kōrero. He akoranga kotoa, i roto i rā haerenga mō ngā tamura.
Hatipu, kaora, hei!
All right, so this time you get to check out and compare with us to see how many words you actually heard.
Whenua i roto aku mahi e taia tōna ki ngā pito katoa o te motu. Hei tauira, tahi o aku haerenga, ka weha atu konei tāmaki makaurau nei, ka haere mā kirikiri roa. Tai no ki te whanganui ātara, haere atu konei te mane, no te wena teira no, tai no ka tai ki te whanganui ātara i te hoke ngāke, ka hoke ake mā taumaru nui he tolotoro inga whanaunga i reira, tai no ki whangarei, nā tai rau atu ki whangarei, tai no ka tutu ki te kaupama. I rote e rā haerenga, e tahi tai ma ka mauri hoke hau aku tamura ki taku taha, e hakaku haere i a rātu, ki ngā kōrero e pāna ki tēnā rohe, mea nui hoki te rā kia hau mō te mōhio ranga o aku tamura ki tō rātu taha Māori. Haka mālama haere kia rātu, ko ai mai nei whanaunga, te iwi o konei, te hapu o konei, ko wai te tuakana, ko i te teina e rātū kōrero. He akoranga katoa i roto i ara haerenga mō ngā tamuru.
When our people migrated here from the Pacific, they found the climate did not lend itself too favourably towards the cultivation of tropical fruits like the pineapple and coconut. The banana was once such fruit that failed such endeavours. The word, therefore, also left the Māori tongue. The arrival of Pākehā brought about trade with other Pacific islands and also heralded the return of the banana to these shores. So in lieu of a traditional word for this fruit, we have decided instead to borrow one from our Pacific neighbours. So the new word today for banana is maika, taken from the Hawaiians. Maika, banana, no longer banana.
Katipu, kaora, hei! Katipu, kaora, hei!
To access the podcast, go to www.tokureo.maori.nz and click on episodes. Choose your episode and move the mouse to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find a link called Podcasts. Click this link to download TŌKU REO podcast to your iPod, MP3 player, etc. With video, audio and exercises, you can brush up on your te reo Māori skills anywhere, anytime, 24/7. Kia kaha.
Katipu, kaora, hei!
Kia ora no whānau, welcome to the exercise segment where you get to have a bit of fun and practice using today's grammar point, finding out about someone's whānau.
All right, let's get cracking. You're no longer a stranger to this first type of exercise, multi-choice. So this is how it'll work. I'll say an English sentence, you won't see it, so you'll have to listen carefully, whānau. You'll then get 3 possible answers to choose from. Once your time's up, the correct answer will remain on the screen. Ready for an example? Take a look. Who is your mother? The correct answer, ko wai tō mama. Who is your mother?
Your turn. Go hard, whānau. My grandfather is Piripi. Ko Piripi taku korua.
Who is your younger sibling of the same gender? Ko wai tō taina.
My mother is Waimarie. Ko Waimarie taku mama.
Who is your grandmother? Ko wai tō kuia.
Neither right, whānau. Ko wai tō mama e hoa.
Ko tōna taku mama e hoa. Ko wai tō mama.
E ki, ko tōna taku mama.
Oh, ne, true.
All right, up next in this exercise, you get to see the sentence up on screen, but it'll be all scrambled up. The answer's there somewhere. You just have to rearrange it so that it actually makes sense. So check this out. Who is your grandfather? The correct answer is ko wai tō korua. You've done this before, eh? You know what time it is then, so let's do it. Lydia is my mother. Koriria taku māma. Who is your older sister? Ko wai tō tuakana. Who is your younger brother? Ko wai tō taina. Horiana is my friend. Ko horiana taku hoa. Who is your father? Ko wai tō pāpā. That one was a bit difficult, eh? But once you get the hang of the sentence structure and what comes where, you'll be sweet.
That's right, whānau. And the exercises will be up on the website too. So if you want or need another go at it, just jump online at www.tokureo.maori.nz. But now, on to our last exercise for the day. You remember the place names we went over in kupu section? Well, this exercise is based on those.
Aira. And because some of them don't have English translations, we're going to show you a map of Aotearoa pointing to each location. Your job is to pronounce the place name correctly as we point to it. Sound easy enough?
So the main thing to concentrate on here, whānau, is the correct pronunciation. So when I say repeat after me, okay? Here we go.
Whangarei. Repeat after me. Whangarei.
Kirikiriroa. Repeat after me. Kirikiriroa.
Tamaki makauro. Repeat it after me. Tamaki makauro.
Te whanganui a tara. Repeat after me. Te whanganui a tara.
Tau marunui. Repeat after me. Tau marunui.
Tēnā nō koutou. Listening to Māori waiata or songs can help you learn the language. Listening carefully to the words of the waiata to understand them and singing them to yourself can help improve your pronunciation, vocabulary and phrases. You may already know a song or two, even the national anthem in Māori. Have a look at the Te Whanake website via the TŌKU REO website and hear songs that have been composed for learners of Māori. Most of the songs on Te Whanake are composed and sung by the late Hirini Melbourne, famous for his music and revival of the use of traditional Māori musical instruments.
Kotipu, kaora, hii!
Well, that's us, whānau. Another episode of TŌKU REO done and dusted. But don't forget, every little bit helps. So get talking to your mates, jump online and have a tutu, or even just practice your kupu on your way to work.
That's right, a little practice in your own time will work wonders.
And don't worry if you found anything from today a little bit difficult. If you missed the meaning of that new word, or if you didn't quite get that exercise, because tomorrow we'll be recapping all of the grammar and vocab from today with the help of our kaumātua.
It'll be great. Make sure you don't miss it, whānau. See you back here tomorrow.
Kia mau!
Kia u!
Ki tōku reo!